Hello everyone, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make delicious chicken wings. This is my husband's favorite recipe. For this recipe you need about 30 raw wings, 1 cup of hot sauce, 1 cup of barbecue sauce, half a stick of butter, 4 cups of all-purpose flour. After you rinse the chicken, you add 4 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Then keep coating the chicken wings into the flour and put a baking sheet on top of your oven tray and put all the chicken wings on the baking sheet after you coat it with flour. Preheat the oven to 425 and then put the chicken wings inside and bake it for 55 minutes. While the chicken wings are cooking, I'm gonna make my hot sauce. In a pan, I'm gonna put the half stick of butter, 1 cup of hot sauce, and then put it on a low medium heat and let it warm up and wait for the butter to melt. In a separate pan, I'm gonna make my barbecue sauce. I'm gonna add half cup of barbecue sauce and a little bit water. I'm gonna mix it very well and then put this pan on top of the stove on a medium-low heat. Let it warm up. The wings are ready, so we take it out of the oven and start coating it in hot sauce and in barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you for watching.